Hi everyone, my name is Hellen Tawani. I was told maybe about 2 months ago to prepare a poem for today, and I did a while back. And menezi kunenedwera papa kuti aliyese maganizo ake amakhala kuti concert kupangidwa kuti ilimbikitse anthu ena who have lost someone in their lives. But it happened kuti as I was preparing the poem, barely a month ago, I lost a little brother, more like, I would say a cousin or a brother, fande mwana wa sister Mayanga, who was 15 years old when he died. And a week later, I lost an office mate, Odin Makane, next. Sorry. I lost an office mate, Odin Makane, next to me. She was sick and she passed away at Maiwatu. And barely a few days ago, a friend of mine got in an accident. So, as it is being said, Udi concert makanga Dudi and to kubanga prepare something to give hope to Antoena, it ends up being a concert. It's bringing us all to Christ in the end. So I changed my poem here and there. And the title is Only Hope. I have watched souls broken. I've seen hearts wrecked, dreams shattered, lights dimmed, energy drained, hope lost. I have seen life all of a sudden becoming meaningless. I have asked God the question, why? I have seen him answer by building the most beautiful hearts out of brokenness. Hearts that can understand what the rest of the world cannot understand. Hearts that cannot bear watching another heart stay broken alone. I have seen him come through when all else is lost. I have seen him shine through when darkness creeps in. I have seen him teach me to find my only hope in him. You see, I've once asked him, how can the hopeless give hope? And he's answered me, how can those who know no hopelessness understand how hopeless the broken soul can be? I've asked him, how can one who's lost meaning to life bring meaning to another life? He answered me, tell me, who would best understand how meaningless life can get? I've told him, Lord, it's not easy. He answered me, why don't you leave that to me? And that is when I learned of his never-ending love. And once I learned it, I have always failed to keep it to myself. For I have always wanted to share how pain and peace could exist in a single heart. How a storm and stillness could coexist. How brokenness and healing could exist in one soul. Brokenness has led me to bring the broken to the master porter. Pain has led me to bring the wounded to the healer. Hopelessness has led me to bring hope to those who've lost it. And though it hurts, I have learned to love without holding back while I still have the chance to. Love them enough to bring them to Christ, the only hope that we can hold on to. If loss brings you to the foot of the cross, then loss has brought you the greatest of gains. Because at the foot of the cross is where all the hope lies. Never give up. Amen.